I'll wait for you. I'll change the whole battery. It would be cooler if this was hidden. It's gonna be hidden, right?
It is.
Okay.
Just
Oh, it's gonna take.
take this spot to put it.
Oh, you can put it where you want to put it.
I'll take a set of measurements.
Okay. Can you cut that if you want to? Alright. Babe. What's it tiwa?
What's your?
This one has a tiwa?
These don't come with tiwa.
I'm gonna check the thing again.
Yeah, good.
They say it's in storage.
Good.
Yeah, there's some that come with tiwa. The one who was on
That
before.
one.
I'm not double check because you know that's what I'm waiting for, right? I'm watching the line. I'm like, okay, when you gonna put the tiwa? And then I heard you say I'm done. Only the mattress. This is the mattress. I was like, wait, what? Man, I already got a plan for that tiwa, babe. You got 5 likes. Hear me? Only 1 people watch right now. Until I didn't want to touch my laptop or the TV. After you touch my laptop is open.
Found a best for you. I can hide this.
Hey guys, this is my husband. So he just finished installing the bed frame. It took him about almost 2 hours. So he's done. The only thing he's doing is putting the LED light. And guess what? He did it all by himself. No help. No help. Right, babe?
Huh?
You had no help, right?
Never really pick it up. Unless I'm struggling. Never struggling.
Yeah, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Bye.
Oh, you said bye. I'm waiting for the light.
Oh,
You can turn it on right now?
you can, but I haven't plugged it. I need to.
Okay.
You're good.
Okay, I'll turn the light off since you want it to be off, right?